Hello, this video will be an overview of the MS3SB orientation. Now, the first bit of important information we have here is the overall experience that students will have throughout this program. Now, this program consists of 3 semesters, with the first semester having students in classrooms for 5 hours a week for 10 weeks total, in which they will be tutoring but not student teaching yet. 2 semesters of student teaching will follow this in the spring of 2020 and fall 2020. Coursework will be held in the late afternoons and early evenings. This program has placements all over San Diego. Listed here are special dates for this fall semester, which a majority listed are no classes because of holidays, with finals week being December 12th to the 18th. Scrolling down, more important information that was covered were some tips for students to be able to succeed in this program, which is mostly to prioritize this program and not schedule trips and weddings during your student teaching because you'll be very busy. And during this busy time, it will be easy to get overwhelmed, so developing coping skills will be very important and beneficial. Taking care of yourself and supporting your peers will also help you succeed. Some norms were also reviewed, which are to attend every class meeting, submit assignments by their given deadline, and always show professionalism, and communicate with your cohort leaders immediately whenever you face a serious problem or emergency. The student handbook was also reviewed with information on the EdTPA, which is the Teacher Performance Assessment. Now, this assessment includes these tasks: planning, instruction, assessment, in which you will be scored for, plus commentary. This is a nationally scored assessment and will be completed during your final student teaching semester. Standards and expectations were also reviewed, pulled directly from the handbook. Policies and resources are listed here, which are also pulled from the student handbook, with important information being that grades must be kept at a 3.0 GPA, and every class you must receive a C or above, with a CR in student teaching. Student teaching was also covered in the student handbook, in which you can find information on how student teachers will be expected to perform and the things that they will be doing during their student teaching. There's more information here on student teaching that includes the roles of the guide teachers, cohort leaders, and university supervisors. This is a list of key points of how student teaching will be evaluated, with some key points listed here, such as information on the observation forms, evaluation forms, and the expectations. And finally, there was an overview of the EdTPA, which informs us here that this is a credential requirement in addition to passing all your coursework in Student Teaching 1 and 2. And that is it.